Okay guys, we finally got here. This is the Wrangell-St. Elias National Park, aka the largest national park in the US. So we are now heading to the Copper Center Visitor Center just to check out what they have to offer here. Obviously we're not gonna explore the whole park because you will need weeks to cover every single inch of the park. Alright, let's explore. Okay guys, so we are visiting the Copper Center Visitor Center. Lots of trail. 11 McCarthy Road, 2 to 3 hours scenic miles. 60 miles of scenic one way. It'll be a whole day thing. But look at all this backpackers option that this place have to offer. Very beautiful. The Yakutat is definitely only accessible by plane, and now sadly they're doing the renovation of Kennecott Mine Town. But look at guys, look at the size of this national park. It's beyond huge, and the main center is the Copper Center. All right, let's come and explore. Okay guys, we just got here to the Visitor Center, and now we're just about to check into the exhibition center. So it's pretty quiet here. It was 4th of July yesterday, so I guess the crowd already left today because it's back to work tomorrow. But now we're gonna go check out the theater, see the movie that they're playing. And they also have the Adna tribe, Indian Tribal Center, but it's currently closed due to COVID, so it's pretty limited what you can do, but it's always have a good time to explore. Violet silhouette. Okay guys, so to the right side is the Mount Wrangell that is covered by a cloud, unfortunately, but right in front of me is the Mount Drum. So there are both volcanoes, but Mount Wrangell are still active, so watch out. And you also have this binoculars if you want to see it. Let's see. Okay guys, here we are here on the backdrop of Mount Elias and Mount Drum. So just FYI, Wrangell is a walkable park but not a drivable park per se, because the park is just way too big and most rental companies won't allow you to drive on the gravel road. So it's definitely not recommended to drive on the McCarthy Road, which is about 3 hours one way, 60 miles drive. So just keep that in mind. But other than that, enjoy the pretty view. Okay guys, in front of me, there's a cute little trail here. It's about half a mile. So you can check out the terrain of the park here. It'll lead you up to a river. But unfortunately, there's no glacier viewing from this side. And all the glacier are like more towards southwestern part of the park. And Remy's struggling here with the flies.
Mosquitoes.
Oh, mosquitoes. They seem to be attracted to you because I have no problem here. Don't forget the bug spray, guys. Okay, guys, so now we're just doing the half a mile hike here, not far from the visitor center. It's only about half a mile, it's very easy. And on to the next one. We are on our way to Denali now, so I can't wait to share with you guys. All right, guys. So we are now halfway from Wrangell National Park into Denali National Park, and here in the Denali Parkway. So we still have about 160 miles to go, like about less than 3 hours. No. That would be speed, just kidding. But anyway, guys, so I mean the roads is like, you know, some parts of the road are pretty broken, so you want to be very, very careful driving on this highway. And then, you know, a lot of like sharp turns, so you can't really speed. But anyway, look at the background behind me here. Look at that. Minus the flies, even though I have the bug spray. Look at that. It's beyond magnificent. You have the lake over here, and yeah, that's the bear-proof trash can. You can see just like, you know, the forever snow here. It's just very, very beautiful. It's definitely worth the drive. I mean, you know, just like in Alaska, when you travel from one place to the next, it's like 5 hours, so it's about normal. But, you know, always watch out for gas. Make sure you have water and food and snacks. So, guys, as always, Ramy's flying his drone here. So, we are not inside the national park. So, obviously, yes, you can fly your drone here. And you can't beat this. Just all around gorgeous. So, oh my god, guys, look at this. Vampires here. Oh my god. They're just like grouping, and it's so weird. You know, I use a bug spray. Still doesn't work. Oh well.